We have some more breaking news we want to bring you right now. It's a decision day for the Cuban migrants who made it to the Lighthouse in the Keys. A federal judge just decided whether they should stay in the U.S. or be returned to Cuba.
And Local 10 News reporter Hatzel Vela joins us live from Miami with the decision. Hatzel.
Constant Christie, I can tell you that decision just came down a couple minutes ago. You see Ramon Saul Sanchez of the Democracy Movement right now talking to Spanish press, telling them, of course, that the decision was not on their side. So that means that 24 migrants on board the cutter, they've been on that cutter for almost 40 days, will be sent back to Cuba. Let's give you a bit of a background here. They arrived back on May 20. They were involved, as you may remember, in a 5-hour standoff with the Coast Guard. Eventually, they were brought or placed on a cutter, and then it became a legal battle between Democracy Movement, who represents a lot of the family members of those migrants on board, and the U.S. government. And in this case, the judge, federal judge, Judge Darren Gales, has ruled on the side of the federal government, deciding to send back the migrants. And at this point, we're not sure exactly when that's happening. We know that there will be a status conference hearing on Thursday. What will be discussed or whether it will be appealed, we're not quite sure. We're going to talk to Ramon a little bit. Ramon, can you tell us, we're live on Channel 10. Tell us what the judge said. Unfortunately, this is not good on your side.
I don't know what he said yet. It's a 35-page opinion. The attorneys have just called us and let us know that it has been an adverse decision. But they will have a conference today at 3 to see if there are further legal steps we can take. And as I understand, we have still scheduled for a status conference on Thursday.
And you were on the phone with the members of the family members who've been waiting so patiently for weeks now. Obviously not a good day for them.
A very sad day. They were praying every day. They have made a chat room in the social media and kept in contact with me. And there were constant prayers that they would be able to reunite with the loved ones. There was even a letter sent by one of them on board the cutter with other Cubans that were repatriated to Cuba saying the Coast Guard is treating us well here. We can wait, but unfortunately, it is a very sad moment for all of us.
Ramon, thank you so much. Ramon Saul Sanchez of the Democracy Movement talking about that decision. Again, 35 pages. He says that they haven't really went over or really had time to do that, but they know the decision is not on their side. For now, I'm going to send it back to you, ladies.